Okay. So today what we have to take? What will be taken in class? MTS means Minhajut Talimis Sanvi. MAR, it is Madina Arabic Reader. Yeah. So first chapter I have sent you, and I told you that you have to read it properly. I think half chapter was read, na, in class. A word meaning was written. Eh? Word meaning you have written. One paragraph was done. So we have to complete it, and we have to do exercise. One more thing here, down the chapter it is written Jumla Ismiya, है ना? तो we will discuss about Jumla Ismiya also, inshallah. Okay? Let me check how many students have attended the class. How many are there? Okay, only 10 are there till now. So let's wait 1-2 minutes. Yes, now you can write meaning, word meaning, है ना? We can do this thing. Yeah. So here, Daulatun. Daulatun means country. You can say state. Daulatun. Daulatun is also comes for country, है ना? Government. And this is democratiyatun. Democratiyatun, it is democracy. Yes, democratic, है ना? दौलतुन दिमीकरातियतुन, democratic, तजदु फीहा दियानातुन, दियानातिन मुख्तलिफतन. Yes, Diyanat is Jama of Deen, that means religion, है ना? Yeah, you have to write word meaning. No? It is necessary that you have to write. مختلفة فيها مسلمون وهندوز ومسيحيون وجينيون. Jainiyun, Masihiyun, they are Christians, and Jainiyun, they are Jainism, है ना? Who Jaini, and Sikh, they are Sikh. Al-Buziyu. This is Buddhist. Yes, Buddhist, Al-Buzi. And Sikh, they are Sikh. है ना? You know? وآخرون وهم يعيشون بحب وسلام وتجدون دائما واقفين جنبا لجنب, side by side. جنبا لجنب. Whose voice is coming? Who has opened his mic? Whose mic is opened? Eh? Mute your mic, all of you, because some voice is coming. Jamban le jambin means side by side. What happened, Anusha? Writing. I'm writing word meaning. First of all, you have to write word meaning. Yes. Side by side. واقفين جنبا لجنب للدفاع عن الوطن من كل شر وعدوان. Difa. Difa means yes. What happened? Second one. What I'm not knowing what is written. Al-Buziyu. Al-Buziyu, Buddhist. It is written Al-Buziyuna. So Al-Buziyu, Buddhist. Buziyun is Jama of Al-Buziyu. Wait, I'm writing here. Buddhist. Jambal ne Jambin, side by side. What is just now? Defao, defense. Lidefy it is coming. Defense means defense. Yes. للدفاع عن الوطن من كل شر وعدوان. Demokratiyatun. Demokratiyatun. Democratic. Sharrun. They found it is defense. Sharrun, evil, harm, Dimiqratriyatun, democratic. I'm seeing cooking. Hmm? What? Not understanding what you are asking. Ask properly, na? They found. They found defense. Sharrun. Udwanun. Aggression. Hmm? Who is doing this? Last one I am writing just now. Democratic. It is this is them. And last one I am just now I am writing. It is aggression. A double G. Oh sorry, A double G. It is aggression. It will come A double G. No, I am correcting it again. Let me write A G G. Aggression. Aggression and attack also comes. A double T. Yes. Written. It is attack also. Yes. Done. Now. Now I'm going back to class. Here should be. Yes. Now I want that you have to read the chapter. First start from first chapter and do it quickly because first paragraph to you have read, है ना before. So do it quickly. Someone start reading. But I want that three sentences only you have to read. So start anyone. Yeah. Okay. Start. Voice is not coming. My voice is not clear. It is coming or not coming? Yes, read. Start reading. Yes. Yes. Ajay Shubladi, Army of my country. Army of my or force of my country. Jai Shubladi. Yes. Hmm. Wataniyun it is not coming. Mantasha. It is not Wataniyun. It is Watani. Like Kitabi, my book. Watani, my country or my nation. Hmm. Yes. Hmm. Who will translate? Mantasha. Mantasha, who will translate? You are to reading. I am an I am an Indian. Hmm. Wal Hindu Watani. Yes. Three sentences I am telling you for what now not listening a single word starting doing only. Mantasha. Translate all three sentences now which you have read. Hmm. Uhibbu watani kasiran. Third sentence complete na. What happened? You are not knowing counting. You cannot count sentences. Ki how many sentences you have read? Yes, Yusuf. Read the next three sentences. Yusuf, read next three sentences and translate it. Hmm. Maal buldani. Maal buldanil jarra. Bas. Oof, oof. Why not listening properly? What is the problem? I told you that one sentence you have read and then translate. And in number you have to read three sentence. One student will read three sentence. Yes. First sentence you have read Nahnu Shabun Nuhibbu Salam. Yes. To translate it, Shabun means group. Uh, Nuhibbu Salam. We love the peace. We love the peace. Yes. Yes. We love. Hmm. Hmm. Allah silat. Silat means relation. We love to be in relation. Hubbin. Silate hubbin. Love relation. Love and peace relation with the countries, with the neighbor countries. With the neighbor countries. Al Buladanul Jarra. Neighbor countries. है ना? Who's Abdullah bin you all mute your mics. Yes. Yusuf. Nuhibbu an nakuna. We first nuhibbu an nakuna ala silate hubbin wa salamin mal buldanil jarra. We love to be in relation of love and peace with the neighbor countries. We love to be with the relation of on to be at the relation of love and peace with with the neighbor countries or neighboring countries. Yes. Yes. You are reading Yusuf. I think from background too much voice is coming. Better you have to mute your mic. Give the chance to too much voice is coming. Someone is also reading. It will be recorded. So that's why I am telling you. La nuhibbul harba mal jiran. Yes. Next one, Abdullah bin Umar. Abdullah bin Umar. Next one. Or who raised your hand? Oh, someone is there also raising hand. Tell your unmute your mic. Yes, Amin Huda. Do it quickly. Huh. Read the next sentence. La nuhibbul harba mal jiran. Read the sentence. We don't like. Huh. We don't like war with our neighbors. Yes. Hmm. Walakin you did. Hmm. Read. Hmm. Yes. No, but translation na. Translation. Do translation. Hmm. Hmm. But in our country, there, there is a powerful army. There is a strong army for defense from our beloved country. Yes. Now, in our country, fi bala dena. Hmm. There is a strong army. Jaishun Kaviyun. Yes, strong army. Lidify for defense. Yes. And Watanenal Aziz from our beloved country. Yes. Now the next sentence. Fi Jaish Baladina. Do quickly. Aqwiyaw. Beta Rijalun Aqwiyaw. It is a complete sentence. Minhum at-tayyaru wal baharu wal madfiyu wal farisu. Yes. Fi jaishe baladina rijalun aqwiyaw. Now after that detail is coming minhum at-tayyaru wal baharu wal madfiyu wal farisu. Yes. So you have to translate first fi jaishe baladina rijalun aqwiyaw. Yes. In the army. Fee you have left. The army you are starting. Fee is also there, na? So in the army of our country there are strong people. है ना? Strong men. Rejalun aqwiyaw. Yes. Hmm. Hmm. Pilots not. They are tayyar here. It is not coming for pilot. It is coming for air force. Okay. Yes. Air force, navy, bahar, navy. What? Bahar, they are called navy, beta. Navy, they are called, na? Yes. Hmm. There are pilots, or that there are, that Air Force, Navy, Walmatfiyu, and that we are that defense. Yes, defense and Alfaresu horsemen. Yes, men's will not come horsemen. Haulai kulluhum yuhibbunal watana. Next one. Anyone? Next. Ne- Huh. Haulai. Huh. Country. No, there is not. There only yuhibbunal watana. They all, these all love country. Yes. Next one. Next one. Mantasha, mute your mic. You have read before. So, Hana Ubaid is there? Anyone else who is raising hand? Open your mic and unmute your mic and you have to tell. Yes. Next one. No one is there. Mantasha, I told you that you will not read. You have read before. And you have started, na? Yes, students. Who want to read? Isma Anwar is there? Isma? Musayyib Javed? Nadia? No one is there, I think. Yes. Oh, who? Nadia? Very good, beta. Fine. Yes. The next one, do quickly. Anyone else? Hana Ubaid, you? Khizr bin Ibrahim, are you present? So many students are there, but no one is reading. What is the problem? Khizr bin Ibrahim, yes. Tell me your problem, and after that I will call anyone else. Abdul Ahad? Isma Anwar is not there? Faizan Khan, you want to read? One sentence is left, you have to read quickly. Last one. Jaishun al Qawiyu wa Jamiul Mawatinina. Read this one. Read, no, all of you should read. Reading is compulsory for you. Faizan Khan, unmute your mic. Ruqayya Khurshid is there. Read. Bishuja'atin wa basalatin. Yes. Yes. Hmm. Yes. Now translate. Jaishun al Qawiyu. Jaishun al Qawiyu. Jaish means, what is the meaning of Jaish? Jaish Bladi you are reading, and after that you are asking ki what is the meaning of Jaish? And Na means are. Our army, our strong army, and all the Jamiul Mawatinin, and all the countrymen who are living here, है ना, Mawatinin. So they and all the countrymen musta'iduna. Ma mana musta'idun? Yes, ready. Yes. Lidify anil watani. This sentence came before. Again, you can translate it. Yes. Hmm. Translate it. Complete the sentence because it was translated. Time is going to finish, but you are not listening. Our strong army and all the countrymen are ready to difa anil watan. to defend from the country with the bravery, है ना, with bravery. Shajatun, basalatun, both are coming for bravery. Yes. Al Hindu dawlatun demokratiyatun azimatun. Now all of you should listen carefully because I am translating from here. India is a big democratic or great democratic country. India is a great democratic government. Tajidu fiha diyanatun mukhtalifatan. In that different type of religions are found. Fiha muslimuna wa hindusun masihuna wa jainiyuna wa sikhul buziyuna wa akharuna wa hum ya'ishuna bihubbin wa salamin. In them there are Muslims and Hindus and Christians and Jainis and Sikhs and Buddhists and others. They all wahum yaishuna, and they all are living with love and peace. Read anyone? Zakwan, read the next sentence. I will translate it. It was a long sentence, that's why I have translated. Yes. Read the sentence, Zakwan. But time is going to be over. No one is reading. Kusum, you are also there. But no one is listening. I am telling that you have to read the sentence. I will translate. Not listening. That's why I am completing. And next week, next day I will ask from you. وَتَجِدُنَا دَائِمًا وَاقِفِينَ جَنْبًا لِجَنْبٍ لِلدِّفَاعِ عَنِ الْوَطَنِ. Third time this sentence is coming. مِنْ كُلِّ شَرٍّ وَعُدْوَانٍ. Tajiduna, you will find us always standing side by side to defense from for defense from our country from every harm and aggression. Uhibbu an akuna jundiyan fi jaysh bladi. I love to be a soldier in the army of my country. I love to be a soldier in the army of my country. Now you have to underline all the yes. Here it is. We have to discuss about Jumla Ismiya. But first of all, I want that you have to pick out Jama from here. Jama from here you have to pick out. Then you have to write its Mufrad. Yes. So Jama you have to pick out. So first it is coming here Nahnu. है ना? Nahnu, underline Nahnu, like Buldan will be underlined and Jiran will be underlined and Rijal. So do it quickly. After that I will check. I think time is going to be finished. So we will join on WhatsApp group, but quickly you have to join as it will be finished here from here. So you all have to join there. Okay, understanding what I said? Now first of all you have to do this one. I told you that Rijalun, Aqwiyau, you have to underline these words, है ना? Plural words you have to underline. After that you have to make their singular, है ना? But first of all you have to underline plural. Do it quickly. Like whom is also plural, haula is plural, है ना? Yuhibbuna is plural, है ना? It is coming for jama. जाओ यहाँ से, क्या मुसीबत है, क्या हो गया है, बिल्ला को आकर शोर मचाने की जरा भी तमीज नहीं है। कोई तरीका है तुम लोग को समझ में आता है? या वाह करे चुप कर खड़ी हुई गई। Okay, Nadia, what is going on, Nadia? Mute your video. Nadia, tell me, why have you tuned your that video? You are not knowing that it is recording is going on. You are not knowing. Why you have done it? Amna and Nadia. I am asking to read, so you are not understanding, you haven't book. And it is not allowed, so you have opened. Yes, Mantasha. What do you want to ask? Have done? Mantasha Mariam. All the words are doing. But you have to write in copies. It will not be done in book. Keep it in mind. Yes. Yes. Muatinin is plural because it is Jama Muzakkar. Na to ya is coming here. Muatinun. It was in Rafa condition, it will be Muatinun. This is Mustaiduna is also, it is Jama. Yes. Like Muslimuna, it is Mustaiduna, Mawatinuna. Do it quickly. Yes. How? How it will be? Huh. Its plural will be demokratiyatun. Yes. Because it is singular, you know that round ta comes in singular. Round ta comes in singular. Yes. And in plural, round long ta comes like diniyat, alif and long ta. Dyanat, sorry, Dyanat, it is coming. So you have to write all of you, and then yes,